Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can hide Discord servers. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct version that supports this feature so you will actually be able to do these steps. So after you open your Discord, what you will have to do is find a server that you would want to hide in the left sidebar, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that. And now that you're here, you will right click the server icon. So it really depends on your layout. So this server icon, this is my server icon. So what I will have to do is just simply right click it. And then now what you will have to do is you will click hide muted channels, or you can just leave server if you want to completely hide it. So yeah, just click this and then it will be the server will now be minimized or hidden from your main sidebar view. So that's basically just it. And I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And again, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.